What's up everybody, welcome back to Toge Masters. Today I'm going to show you how to install these stance parts air cups on a set of Bc Br coilovers. So what you're going to need is the coilover wrenches that came with the Bc Br coilovers and or the coilovers that you have, 14mm wrench to remove the adjustment knob, a 17mm socket, and an impact gun. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is to loosen up these lock collars for the spring and helper spring. You're going to use the wrenches that were provided with your coilovers to loosen these collars up. That way we can lower the tension on the top pads and make it easier to remove. Alright, so once those are loosened, we are going to go ahead and remove the adjustment knob. You're going to use the 14mm wrench to loosen this, and then you should be able to remove it with your hands. After that, you're going to see that 17mm nut. Just use the impact gun and the 17mm socket, and that should come right off. Alright, once that nut is loosened, you can go ahead and unscrew that. The top hat and the hardware should come right off, and you should be able to remove these springs. I've gone ahead and put back on the helper spring as well as the main spring. You're going to need this if your springs are too stiff and you don't have any droop when the car is on the floor. As in my case, I also needed a shorter spring just because it occupied so much space on the shock body and I couldn't lower the car to the necessary height. Alright, note that the stance air cups have a O-ring in there. Make sure it's seated properly, and we just do the disassembly backwards. I don't do the rear because it's pretty much the same thing. Alright, here is the air cups installed back onto the car. We haven't adjusted the height really, and this is real time on how long it takes it to air up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for additional videos.